Hello friends, in this tutorial I'll tell you how to add life in portraits by enhancing its eyes. It's a very simple technique. I hope you will learn something new and enjoy this technique. So let's get started. First of all, make a blank layer by clicking on this icon. After that, select elliptical marquee tool by right clicking on this elliptical marquee tool. Zoom in on eyes, press shift and make a circle. If you want to drag it while pressing shift, you will not be able to do it. For that you need to press spacebar and then drag it and there. Okay, but remember that you should not remove the mouse button. Spacebar and drag it. Okay, and make sure it should be inside your eyes, not inside the pupil. Sorry, it should be inside the pupil, not outside of the pupil. Once you have made, leave it. Okay, and then make sure your background color is white and press Ctrl and backspace. Okay, then again select rectangular marquee tool, then press backspace so that the half portion of circle will delete. Press Ctrl and D to deselect. After that, press and hold Ctrl and go to this point. When an icon of square will appear on your screen near the pointer, then click. You will notice that marching lines are visible on that half circle, semicircle, whatever, and just move that selection a little bit up. Okay, and then again press backspace, then deselect it by pressing Ctrl and D. After that, one more thing, you can deselect by clicking on select then deselect. Okay, and its shortcut is written here. All shortcuts are written here. You can go through it once you have enough time. Now what we'll do, we'll go to filter, we'll go to blur, Gaussian blur, make sure it is 5, press OK, and the blend mode soft light. Done. Now you will notice there is an extra part. It's coming on eyelid, it is not on the pupil. So at first what we'll do excuse me, so what we'll do, we'll make a copy of this layer for second eye. Hold, click and drag this layer to here. Otherwise you can press Ctrl and J to make a new copy of this, and then select move tool, click and drag this to another eye. Okay, you can drag it up if you are comfortable, or you can just erase it. If you want to erase it, then you can select eraser, capacity 100, zoom in a little bit, erase it from eyelid, simple. Or otherwise you can drag it here, wherever you want. Okay, and you can adjust these both at same place. Okay, so now you will see the eyes are looking more gorgeous, more beautiful. Just see before and after. This is before, this is after. This is before and this is after. Okay, I'll make a group of this so that you will notice clearly Now look, this is before and this is after. Before, after, again, before, after. This image with enhanced eyes is more appealing. It is more beautiful. I hope you have enjoyed this video. More videos about enhancing eyes and enhancing skin are coming. I'm making some videos about it. So if you like this tutorial, if you learned something new from this, then please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. We'll meet soon.